Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Monday, June 11th. We are back. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. I think it's only one today for Amazon, but a couple other goodies are on its way after this video will be done. So stay tuned for those. But hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Made it through this month already. And now we have... Where's it coming from? Aomais direct, I do believe. So, link is going to be down below where you can check these out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. And, okay, got the box. Alrighty, they are sending us the new wireless Bluetooth headphones. Charge time 1.5 hours. Battery capacity is right there. Transmission pretty good. Bluetooth 4.1. Check them out. There's a social media links. Give them a follow. Still cleaning up for my fire, so I'm a little dusty, sooty. So there we go. Yeah, most of my speakers got destroyed and stuff like that, so it's all good. But you guys will get one for your father for Father's Day. I'll have enjoy some quiet time. Listen to some music on the golf course. Listen to some sports at the weight room. Here we go. And let's see what these look like. And I think I'll be doing a sound test on my Instagram, so if you guys want to hear them out, but it's kind of hard to do. Comes with the spare parts, the buds. So it's kind of hard to test out Bluetooth or headphones. Oh, there we go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, oh. Well, we'll give it a try. So I got the hook, kind of like the Batman hook. Cool. Here's that. Here's that part. Oh, geez, focus. Hold on. Here's that. What are you turning on it? Oh, right here. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's sweet. Lights up, LED, nice. Aomais. It's on backwards. That's how it shows when it's connecting. Awesome. Nice. Nice and sturdy. Boom. Strong. These won't rip while you're cutting the grass, doing some yard work. Definitely nice pair. So check them out, YouTubers. Take advantage of the Father's Day sales going on, and get this shipped to you in no time. So you still got like 5 days, so order now, get these in 2 days shipped, get it before Father's Day. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe, have a good day. I'll see you guys back in a little bit with another video. See ya.